Hello there. Here is a question in Ndebele. Ubona bani? Okay, so this lesson I want to teach you how to answer this question and how to ask it in different forms. All right. So what does it mean? Ubona bani. So ubona bani means whom do you see? If you also want to say whom are you seeing, you are also going to say ubona bani. Okay. And the way you answer it is ngibona u. So ubona bani, it's where you're asking whom. You're talking about a person. Okay, you're talking about a person. Maybe you are seeing someone else looking in the other direction. So you want to ask them, whom are you seeing? Okay, you say ubona bani. So ubona bani lapha is whom are you seeing here? Here is where you could use this one. Maybe you are holding a picture, right? And then you're pointing at someone like ubona bani lapha. Whom do you see here? And then ubona bani lapho. Whom do you see there? All right. That's how you ask the question. So I want to teach you how to say I am seeing this person and that person. In this case, you want to say umama lo baba. All right, this is how you join words in Ndebele. If you want to say mom and dad, it's umama lo baba. So I am seeing mom and dad. Ngibona umama lo baba. All right. And then here we have ugogo lokhulu. Ngibona ugogo lokhulu. I am seeing grandpa and grandma. All right. Hope it's making sense. So you're always going to use lo to connect two people, to connect two or more people. All right. Look at this one. Even if you want to use their names, for example, we have Lungile here and Craig, you would say ngibona ulungile lo Craig. I hope it makes sense. Okay, ngibona ulungile lo Craig. So whatever the names, if it's two people, just say ngibona uSipho lo Musa, ngibona uLulu lo Zodwa, ngibona u dash lo dash. I need right. So let's test your knowledge once again for some of the words I taught you before. How would you say I see my sister and my brother? I see my sister and my brother. Ngibona udadewethu lo mnewethu. All right? How about I see my friend and uncle and my uncle? Ngibona umngane wami lo malume. All right, so you see we're keeping it consistent. We're using lo all the time that we're joining two people. All right, moving on. We do the same if it's three people or more. Look at that. Umama lo baba lo mntwana. Okay, so ubonani? I mean ubona bani? Whom are you seeing? Ngibona umama lo baba lo mntwana. That will be your answer. All right. And here we have ugogo lokhulu lo mntwana. Ngibona ugogo lokhulu lo mntwana. I hope it's making sense. All right. And then here we have three girls whose names are Fikile, Zinhle, and Nonhle. All right. Ubona bani? Ngibona uFikile lo Zinhle lo Nonhle. All right, that's how it goes. So if you still remember, there is a word for your mother's sisters, depending on whether you're talking about the elder sister or the younger sister. Okay, so I need you to say in the comments, I need you to say, I see mom, her elder sister and her younger sister. What are their names? Go ahead and write the answer to that question in the comments. And let's meet in the next lesson. Bye-bye.